Hey guys, it's Jonesy with an update on the 69 Camaro RESTOMOD. We got the doors on and adjusted, the side glass in, and the mirrors on and painted, so we've made some good progress. Let's take a look at those mirrors. We got those painted. These are the bullet style mirrors for like a Gen 2 Camaro. We painted them a matte black. Came out really nice. They fought us. They were quite a challenge to get them on, but we finally got them on there. Made some adjustments to the doors, so our gap is looking good. Got our side glass in. It's a factory smoke tint. And I had this trim here, quarter glass trim, powder coated in a matte black. Came out great. Put the new weather stripping in there. The power windows are installed. The power locks are installed and done. I've ordered new guides because these are a little bit worn. They're still in good shape, but we just want to put new ones on there just to be sure. The other challenge was getting this to line up perfect on the weather strip, so it came out great. These cars, you know, from 1969 were not that perfect when I left the factory. And so things are a little bit kind of loose and there's a lot of play. So trying to get them perfect is a huge, huge challenge. Takes a lot of time and a lot of patience. Fired it up yesterday, let it run. Did a heat cycle on it, put it in gear for the first time, moved it forward, and the brakes felt good, shifted right into gear, went right into park perfectly, so I was really happy about that. Here's the passenger side. Passenger side mirror we painted. So the key is getting the glass to fit up into this channel weather stripping and have it be just up in here nice and flush all the way across. We still got to tweak the window just a hair to close in that gap right there to get it perfect like the other side. The other big challenge we ran into, and I hope this will help some of y'all, I guess it's a real common problem with these aftermarket billet door handles. The pin is too long, and what happens when the door locks, it will not unlock. So it happened on the other driver's side. We had to destroy the latch to get it out and install a new latch, so we kind of found that out the hard way. But this is a big common problem with aftermarket door handles. That pin is just too long, and when it pushes that latch, it keeps that latch from unlocking properly. So I hope that helps somebody out. There's our smoked glass. Today we've been working on the front fender, Getting it ready, tapped all the holes. Everything getting on my bolts. Now these are the factory bolts. These are new, but we will be changing them to stainless steel, most likely. And we're having a challenge getting around on this inner fender well. So we're gonna have to take this all loose so we can get that fender up and over that inner fender well. So we were working on that today. So there we are, making progress. Starting to look like a car. Hopefully soon we'll get the front end on and be ready to drive it and get it to the get it tuned, and we'll be ready to go. Y'all take care. Appreciate you watching.